In this video, you learn how to connect Binance to TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So once you're in TradingView.com, you'll first have to log in. And once you're logged in, you'll have to head over to Products and head over to Supercharts. Then once you're right here, you'll probably immediately see this screen that says connect to our trusted brokers. But if you do not see this and you're seeing this chart right now, you'll have to go to the bottom and click on Trading Panel. Then right over here, you see a lot of brokers inside of TradingView, but you can go to the bottom right and click on all brokers. And there you see a lot more. And right here, you'll see Binance. So we'll click on this. And you can just click on Don't Remember Me and you can click on Connect. And right now, you're going to be redirected to Binance. And if you log in and connect it, you'll be connected through TradingView with your Binance account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.